What's the meaning of apostate? Apostate. Apostate.
Apostate. Apostate. Apostate is a noun used to describe someone who renounces or abandons their religious or political beliefs. The word can also be used as an adjective to describe something that goes against a previously held belief or principle. The result of being an apostate can vary depending on the specific context, but it may result in social ostracism, persecution, or even physical harm depending on the severity of the situation and the culture or community in which the apostasy occurs.